What's the weather like?
Rainy.
Rainy. It's a ridey, rainy after school session. What does Sunshine think about riding in the rain?
She just wants treats.
She just wants something to eat, doesn't she? Naughty. Right, come on then, get your gloves on, let's go.
Bang right in the head.
You can do your coat up.
Yes.
Did you not do that before your gloves? Come on, I'm getting wet. I'll stand under here.
We're riding in the rain today. It's very windy too, and I'm warming her up.
And what are you doing in your warm-up?
I'm doing surfing.
I know, you're making me dizzy.
I'm doing laps. I'm doing surfing times. I'm doing all that stuff.
Do you think she's listening to you? Has she got an active walk going on?
A little bit.
Right, get going.
We're only doing flat work today because
You just ride now.
it's
Bit windy.
yeah, and raining. She's got some energy today.
You know, I bet she has.
Is that nice sunshine?